In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Google Calendar invite in Gmail. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser. Now, this step is unnecessary if you have Google Calendar on your device. Click on this menu icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on Calendar, and this will take you to Google Calendar. Make sure that you're signed in to your preferred Google account. So just go ahead and click on the Got It button, and in here, go ahead and click on the Create button at the top left corner of your screen, and this will allow you to select what type of event are you going to create. Is it an event, task, or an appointment? Now go ahead and add a title for this event. You can go ahead and set the time along with the date of this event. So just go ahead and select the time and date of this event. After that, just go ahead and click on the Add Guest section, and here go ahead and enter the Google account of those individuals that you want to invite for this event. So under this, you'll be able to find the specific Google Mail of this user. So you can also incorporate a Google Meet link by clicking on the settings icon beside Google Meet. You can customize your video call options such as host management and meeting access. So just go ahead and set it depending on your preference. So I'll just set host management as enabled, along with the host must join before anyone else, and click on the save button once you're done with this section. Now you can go ahead and enter the location in this area. You can also add a description or a Google Drive attachment you can upload in this area. Now go ahead and click on the save button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen, to be able to save this event. Now once you save this event, Google Calendar will ask you if you want to send an invite for that specific guest. So just go ahead and click on the send button to be able to send an invite mail to that specific individual that you've invited to your event. And this is how the invite mail will look like for that individual that you've invited, where they can answer yes, no, or maybe and join the Google Meet once they have decided. And that's how you can simply send Google Calendar invite in Gmail. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.